on what you may already believe. There are many different types, and with that, different weather phenomenon that come alongside their presence. In this PowerPoint, I will discuss a few of these clouds to set each one apart from the next. Known as fair weather clouds, they are the lowest forming type of cloud and occasionally are found as low as 300 feet above the ground, and they only last 5 to 40 minutes. Stratus clouds appear to be very thick because they stack themselves on top of each other, creating an opaque appearance. Also, fog is actually a stratus cloud on ground level. These clouds get their name because they form from either stratus or cumulus clouds. They are also the most common cloud in Earth's atmosphere. These clouds are so dark because they hold abundant water. In fact, the word nimbus is Latin for heavy rain. These are some of the highest forming clouds and are almost completely made up of ice crystals. Cirrus is actually the Latin word for wisp because of their wispy appearance. This chart represents the percentage of clouds that hold the most water, therefore producing more precipitation. The cumulonimbus cloud is the only cloud that can produce electricity, which means they make the storms that have heavy downpours. Nimbostratus are the clouds that are present during blizzards and flood rains. Stratus and cirrostratus both indicate impending rain, but normally come down in drizzles or showers.